Hello and welcome to How to Make Pancakes. Jumping right into the recipe, what you will need for your ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Melted. Optionally, you can add half a cup of your favorite fruits. I will give you a few seconds before going into the instructions. Alternatively, it would be good to pause the video at this point if you need to. Step 1. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Step 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, egg, and melted butter. Step 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix, it's okay if there are some lumps in the batter. Step 4. If you're adding fruit, gently fold in half a cup of your chosen fruit. Step 5. Heat a non-stick griddle or skillet over medium-high heat. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop the batter onto the griddle, leaving a little space between each pancake. Step 6. Cook the pancakes until the edges start to look set and the surface is covered with bubbles, then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side, until golden brown. Step 7. Serve the pancakes warm with butter and maple syrup, and any additional fruit you'd like to top them with. Thank you for following along with this recipe. I hope you enjoy your pancakes. If you want to know more recipes, please like and subscribe to the channel.